Hey Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers. Welcome. I'm Dripcess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content.
Too hard and stand too close, you gon' fuck around and down. Out this way, going out shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Too hard and stand too close, you gon' fuck around and down. Out this way, going.
So as you can see by the title, your girl is going to be preparing for her 19th birthday. Tuesday, I was supposed to get my nails done and I recorded that, y'all. I'm gonna put it right here.
My Gucci pink, my booty hole brown. Where the niggas come looking for the hoes. Quit playing nigga, cause I got bitch toes. Pound town, just left pound town. Then my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. Pound town, just left pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch.
You can see they're not done because my natural nail is cracked. I'm gonna just leave the long story out of it, okay? So I pray that it's healed by next week so I can get it done. Today is March 21st and it's currently 3:08. I'm about to go to the hair store and I'm about to go get dye for my wig. Y'all, this is gonna be my first like actual colored wig, so I'm really excited. And I'm also gonna be getting my hair done by a different girl, getting my wig installed and everything like that. Y'all gonna see that too, so I'm really excited. And if you're excited just like me, please make sure, first of all, make sure you're subscribed and have your post notifications on. And make sure you like this video already because this video is going to be a banger, okay? Hey so today's March 24th and girl is gonna be getting her toes done today. My birthday is literally in 7 days. My birthday is in 7 days. The outfit is pretty chill. We just got an Air Pastel shirt, gray tights. I'm gonna wear this pink bag and this pink hat. It's giving mom. It's a 20-minute wait. And I don't know, I'm thinking if I should go to get something from McDonald's because your girl didn't really eat for all day.
Tone, and it's just me alone, lonely, alone. It's slowly, you know me, yeah.
Hey y'all, it's March 28th. My birthday is coming up. There, she's about to wash my hair. I get my hair done tomorrow, and she's about to do my lashes.
Lay your head on my pillow, touch is making me feel
Hey y'all, so as y'all can see, my lashes are done. They're so freaking cute, y'all. Like, it's just giving. And then my sister did my lashes, and then she also did my hair too. She washed and blow dried my hair. Like, it's so cute. Like, my nails, I have to get press ones for my nails. Like, look at my hair, y'all. Like, please, like please. Let them go downstairs, eat some pizza, relax, cause I'm tired. Today's hair appointment day. Today is March 29th. You know, we got 2 more days until my birthday, okay? This is my outfit for my hair appointment. So I'm really calm. I'm about to do my lips and that stuff. And then we're gonna be on our way to my hair appointment.
Spiders, fakes, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah,
Yeah, the price I want for show, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Ellis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitch round this bitch, they all the coders. Yeah, I just told her make a story. Yeah, I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah, I told her stab my bitch. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. I got baguettes in the back of my ring.
Hey y'all. We're about to go get some breakfast. I don't know.
I just pulled up with some food.
I'm on the phone with my boyfriend. Babe, say hey. Okay. I'm about to go to the Cracker Bridge Mall, and then I'm going to Woodbridge Mall right after. I'm going to Cracker Bridge because, well, first, Forever 21. And then I want to check Spencer's because Woodbridge Mall, they don't have a Spencer's. And I want to get some new, like, jewelry for my piercings. And yeah, and then after that, Woodbridge Mall, Forever 21, and all the extra stuff. Oh, breakfast was good. I feel like my plate was a little like it wasn't full, but that's okay. And also there was a dog in there too, so that kind of like messed me up because I don't know, it just kind of like messed me up. But the bacon, oh my gosh, I love the bacon from here. Like I just love the bacon. So I'm about to start driving to the Cracker Bridge Mall now, and I'm about to see y'all while I'm there. My piercing. Hey y'all, so I made it to the mall and I'm walking inside now. It's cold outside. Yeah, people are saying that they love my hair. We have Forever 21. Hey y'all, so I'm in the fitting room. I'm about to try on all this stuff that I found on sale. And yeah, I got a lot of stuff. We're gonna try it on. I really like this hat. I really like this hat, so I'm probably gonna get that hat. I don't know, but it's cute though. So as y'all can see, I'm back home. My makeup's off. If my bed is wobbling, it's because my tripod is on my bed and I'm moving. I'm like talking to y'all with my hands and I'm moving, so the tripod is kind of like wobbling and that stuff. But yeah, like I said, as y'all can see, I'm home. My makeup is off. I took a nice good old shower, but I am about to head out again, you know, wrap my hair up, everything like that. But I wanted to give y'all a haul. I'm so hungry, y'all. I didn't eat lunch or dinner yet. I'm just so hungry. It's insane. Give y'all a haul of what I got. Okay, I didn't go to what mall? I didn't go to Woodbridge Mall. I only went to Cracker Bridge Mall because I was taking so much time in Cracker Bridge Mall. So it was like, by the time I went to Woodbridge Mall, Woodbridge Mall is like 40 something minutes away from Cracker Bridge Mall. Like, yeah. So by the time I went to Woodbridge, it would have been time for me to come back home, take a shower, everything like that. Like I said, my boyfriend and I, we're doing something. We're going skating, late night skating, the late night session. And then I'm staying over there, so I'm really excited. I need to charge my light thing. That's the point. I want to show you what I got from Forever 21. Okay. It's this really cute, like, beret. Is that what it's called? I don't know what type of hat it's like called, but this really cute hat is so freaking cute. Like, I see me styling an outfit with this. Then I got this dress, okay, y'all, in an extra small. Like, it's so cute. It's like, it's not long. I know it looks pretty long, but it's not long. Like, it stops literally like right there where my thigh is at, in a way. Like right there where my thigh is at, okay? It's pretty short, okay? But it's so cute, yo. Like, look at it. Like, so cute. And I only spent $24 on this, but it was like 40% off. So 40% off of 24. Y'all do the math if y'all want to. I don't feel like doing it, but super cute, and I tried it on. It looked so good on me. Yeah, so this is another thing that I got from Forever 21. Then I also got this really, you know, basic but cute, like a white dress. It's like a bodycon type dress. This is also on sale. Everything that I got was literally on sale. Everything was literally on sale at Forever 21. You know, super cute. It's so cute for the summertime, because you know you got to get the summer dresses out. So I got this white one, and then I got like an olive green one. It's just like the white one, but it's olive green. Like, it fits my body so good. It hugs my body so good. I just need to think like what shoes I'm gonna wear with them. Obviously like sandals or something, but like, you know, like it's so freaking cute, giving body in it. And yeah, so it's this dress. Then I got these super cute like leggings pants. They're like flare leggings. Okay, mint green color, flare at the bottom, make the booty look good. Okay, and yeah, that's all I got from Forever 21. Then I went into Spencer's. Oh wait, no, that's not all I got from Forever 21. I also got these like biker shorts. Now we can move into what I got from Spencer's. So for Spencer's jewelry, it was buy two get two for free. So I bought two and I got two for free. Really cute belly jewelry, like for my belly button. This is so cute. Like, isn't it giving like you wear it for the beach and everything like that? Or like, I don't know, it's just giving. And your girl is slowly like turning into a silver girl. I need to buy more silver earrings though. I did like buy some, then I lost them. But these are so cute. Then I got a Playboy bunny. It's so cute. I do have a pink one, but I don't know where it's at. I don't know where the pink one's at. Yeah. Then for my, like, how cute is this? Like, I really like these heart ones. Like, it's so cute. And then I got this one. Like, look how cute. Like, this is different. Like, so cute. Look at all of them all together. But that's all I got for today. Pre-birthday shopping was a success. Okay, but I'm about to go get some McDonald's. I'm too hungry. Today's my birthday. Hey y'all, it's my birthday. It's currently 12:31 p.m. right now. Girl, y'all, let me tell y'all, your girl been out. Like, yesterday I had a great birthday weekend, okay? My boyfriend and I went late night skating. Music was bumping, you know, wishing me a happy birthday. Everybody, his family was wishing me a happy birthday. He got gifts for me too, but I told him just like give it to me later on today, cause we're supposed to be going somewhere else today. Yeah, like I kind of just like woke up. I stayed over there. What I'm about to do is go in the shower, do my makeup, all of that good stuff. Oh yeah, and my birthday's on Easter too, so hey, okay. But yeah, I'm about to get ready. Thank you to everyone for your birthday wishes, even though y'all not gonna see this until like somewhere in April. Thank you everyone for the birthday wishes. I really appreciate it. Okay, so I'm in the car waiting for my boyfriend. He is getting his car done right now, and we about to get some McDonald's. Then we finna head to Jersey Golden Mall, and then we gonna get some steak later. That's the plan, but the plan can always change. But like, this has been a W like birthday. I just want to thank my boyfriend so much. There's been a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes too. We're not gonna get too much involved to talk about that. Hey y'all can't see me, but we're at Longhorn Steakhouse. This is my my first time ever eating steak and ever being at a steakhouse or this steakhouse, or I never been at a steakhouse. My boyfriend, he got me flowers. I'm gonna show you that, everything like that. We went to the mall, he got something. I didn't see anything at that mall, but he saw stuff, so that's good. Cause you know, anytime anyone goes shopping with me, I want them to get something. So, yeah.
Silly tone, when it's just me and you alone, you're lonely, alone. Getting slowly, when you know me, yeah. Meditate, you can take me to a place where we can't be alone. I let you hold me, cause you know me, yeah. Lay your head on my pillow.
Birthday girl, should I do 0.5 or regular?
Whatever.
I'll do it. Birthday girl. Okay. Can't do it. Yeah, there you go. Yep.
I never got a Pandora. I never got Pandora.
No, we got a Pandora.
I never got it.
Here's your first
This is
Pandora.
my first Pandora.
Tennis bracelet, charm on there.
Oh my gosh, I never got a Pandora before. They put it on me.
Yeah, let's put this on. Put it on. That's perfect.
Babe. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Hey y'all, so I just want to end this video. I'm in a library right now editing this video, but I just want to end it. Hopefully y'all enjoyed my birthday vlog. I had so much fun. Thank you to my boyfriend for everything. Thank you to everyone for the birthday wishes. I really appreciate it so much, and I see you in the next YouTube video.